Hi, in this session, we are going to study what all are the benefits of implementing Lean in your project. In our earlier sessions, you have studied what is Lean and how that Lean process emerged, and what all are the principles that you need to adopt, and what all are the practices that you need to implement in your project to remove different forms of waste that we have studied in our earlier sessions. And if you have not studied or not completed our previous sessions, you please go back and complete those sessions and then start with this session. Then only it will make sense. Okay. Now, here we are going to understand what all are the benefits of Lean framework. As we have already studied the different principles: eliminate waste, empower the team, deliver fast, delivering value as early as possible to the customer. We have studied optimizing the whole, or having a big picture in our mind, build quality in. So we have to implement some rules and some standards in the team so that we will be able to build quality in our product. Defer decisions or defer commitment. So we have to defer some of the decisions till last responsible moment. Amplify learning, that means we have to continuously learn and educate others, and we should not reinvent the wheel. So by implementing these all principles, let us understand what all benefits we will gain. So the first benefit we will gain, it would be improved turnaround time, or we can say improved cycle time. When you are able to remove or eliminate different types of waste from your process, then you will be able to improve your turnaround time. The next benefit could be streamlined operations. All the tasks, all the project activities, they will be streamlined, and when you are sure, or when you have made sure that each and every individual, they understand their responsibilities, their duties well, then over there all the activities, they will be carried out in a streamlined manner, and there won't be any communication gap or miscommunication. The next benefit could be reduced downtime. It mainly applies to manufacturing industry. Like in the manufacturing process or in the production line, they have to ensure that there is zero downtime. So the same can apply to even software development also. Like the development process should never stop. Like continuously we need to have all the resources available, be it physical resources like computer, be it software resources like different servers, different databases, and different uh, other plugins or applications that you need to have for developing your software. So nothing should stop your process. Then the next benefit could be reduced wastage of time. So there should not be any waiting time between the tasks. The individual should not sit idle waiting for the other person to finish. So all the project activities should be streamlined well so that there is no wastage of time. The next benefit is improved efficiency. So that way you will be able to carry out all the project activities in efficient manner. The next benefit could be enhanced communication. When you bring your team together, when you build that motivational environment in your team, then team will have a high team spirit, and they will be able to work as a team and not as an individual. So that is going to enhance the communication, and that is going to build a rapport between the team members within the team, and they will be able to work together in a collaborative manner. The next benefit could be removed non-value added admin tasks. So when you are analyzing your process, you have to understand like which all tasks are non-value added. It could be related to administrative tasks, because in agile principle, in agile manifesto, we say that we need to have minimum documentation. a working software over comprehensive documentations. That means we need to have documentation in each and every project, be it a software project or any project, but we have to reduce our documentation or administrative task, and we need to have minimum documentation that is required. The next benefit could be high levels of product quality. So when you are implementing these all principles and practices in your project, you will come up with a product which will be of utmost quality and it will be defect free. Yeah. The next benefit could be reduced labor costs. When you are operating or when you are executing your project in an efficient manner, then it is obvious that you will be reducing cost of your project. Reduced prices and reduced prices, it comes into picture like if you are able to develop a software product at a lower cost, then it is obvious that you will be able to sell it at a lower price. So that is how the cost and price are related. The next benefit could be increased market share. If you are coming up with a product with an utmost quality and if it is having world class features, then there may be a possibility that your customer will be able to increase their market share. Like more and more end users will opt for that product, and that way the customer will be able to increase the market share. The next benefit could be faster decision making. So if you are able to work in a collaborative manner, then it is obvious that you will be able to make decisions fast, because when there are more and more interactions and there is a possibility that you will be able to get more and more information at an early stage, and when you have more and more details about the product, then you will be able to make decisions faster. Enabled real-time monitoring and low inventory levels. Enabled real-time monitoring means the manager or the lead, the project lead, if he is enabling the team to perform and if he is providing a certain amount of autonomy to the team to make decisions, and if he is continuously motivating team to perform and to work together, to work in a collaborative manner, it is obvious that the team will be motivated to work. And also even if the lead is monitoring them real time, it will be easy for him and he doesn't have to do any micromanagement for the team when the team is motivated enough. Yeah. The next benefit could be low inventory levels. So when you are having low inventory levels, that means it will be a lower cost for your project. So that is how you are going to add to your project's benefits. So these are the different benefits you will gain when you implement Lean framework in your project. I think by now you must have got a pretty much good idea about how Lean framework is different from other frameworks. So here in Lean framework, the main focus is on the principles, the 7 principles. You have to understand those 7 principles well, and you have to understand like what are the different practices which you need to implement, or those principles which you need to implement in your team, and you will be able to gain these all benefits by implementing those all principles. Yeah, so this is all about Lean benefits.